I'm Nadine Vosloo and welcome to A How-To with Tjhoko Paint. Today I'm going to inspire you on how to upcycle those used paint tins, create some use for them and also be creative. Tjhoko Paint is eco-friendly, non-toxic but also pet-friendly. And not only is Tjhoko pet-friendly, but we also have Tjhoko colors named after our furry family members. Asphalt and Maestro are colors named after dogs in our lives. They are vibrant, beautiful colors that can just add that extra touch in a space. Today, however, we are going to make something for our pets by using these old paint tins. First important step when working on metal is to make sure that your metal surface has been cleaned properly by using lacquer thinners. Something I've done already, please refer to our cleaning video. Next, I've waited more or less 40 minutes for the thinners to evaporate, and now the fun is going to start by using some stencils and our Stencil of Paris product. I'm going to create some texture and pattern on my metal tins. I'll be using a beautiful selection of Tjhoko Paint stencils, and as in our stencil video, I'll just secure with masking tape and follow the same process. Remember, you can select designs that fit and suits your pet's personality best. I have selected something that goes with my Maestro. I have something that has been stenciled and very importantly that has dried as well, and now the painting process will start. And there you are, pet-friendly, eco-friendly, and best of all, Tjhoko doesn't only help you to express your personality, but also that of your pet. Please like, follow, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And remember, don't just paint it, Tjhoko it.